Hello and welcome to 3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. So during the week, the crypto market experienced significant turbulence, continuing a pattern often seen in the historically volatile month of September.
Indeed, Bitcoin saw a sharp drop, falling below $56,000 to a low of $55,746 before recovering to around $57,700 by the end of the week. This marks a 5% decline as bearish sentiment dominated the market.
Well, Ethereum suffered even more, losing 7% and briefly dipping to just over $2,300 before a minor recovery. The total crypto market cap is dropped by around 6%, with approximately $100 billion wiped out over the week.
Not just that, liquidations in the market also spiked, with over $196 million in long positions being liquidated as traders faced mounting losses. While Bitcoin dominance remained steady, altcoins saw heavy losses, with most major assets experiencing declines between 5% and 7%.
Elsewhere, India has again ranked as the leading country, with local investors adopting crypto. According to Chainalysis' latest research, India also led last year's crypto adoption index.
Chainalysis research revealed that 7 of the top 20 countries belong to Central and Southern Asia and Oceania, a slight increase from last year's record. These countries include India, Indonesia, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Pakistan.
Also, between July 2023 and June 2024, CSAO logged in $750 billion in crypto assets inflow, representing 16.6% of the market share.
Moving on, the hacker responsible for the WazirX security breach has moved over $67 million worth of stolen Ethereum so far. This comes amidst the exchange's restructuring efforts, which could see 55 to 57% of the stolen assets being returned to users.
And according to Cyber's alerts, the hacker transferred 5,000 ETH valued at approximately $11.7 million to a new address on September 10th. This transaction follows a similar one on September 9, where another 5,000 ETH worth $11.5 million was moved to a different address.
Meanwhile, on September 12th, the US spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs delivered polarizing results. Bitcoin spot ETFs recorded a positive net flow of $39 million, reflecting a minor recovery run after a long streak of outflows.
However, no ETFs could surpass the barrier of $20 million in inflows, and in contrast, Ethereum ETFs faced a second consecutive day of losses. The biggest altcoin ETFs had a net outflow of $20 million, driven primarily due to Grayscale's ETHE.
In another interesting update, on September 11th, the UK government introduced the Property Digital Asset Bill, which means that digital holdings, including cryptocurrency, non-fungible tokens such as digital art, and carbon credits, can be considered personal property under the law.
Well, that's great. And the announcement continued to state that the new law will also give legal protection to digital asset owners and companies against fraud and scams. It will also help judges deal with complex cases where digital holdings are disputed or form part of settlements, such as in divorce cases.
Well, that's quite positive news. Moving on, Bitcoin's price may not look exciting this month, but the network's total hash rate has returned to logging regular new all-time highs. The divergence between security and price is a sign that Bitcoin mining firms are happy to continue installing new computer hardware, even amid uncertain market conditions.
So, according to on-chain analytics firm Glassnode, miner revenue has declined substantially since Bitcoin's price reached its all-time high in March. Nevertheless, hash rate still tapped a new high of 693 exahashes per second on Sunday, keeping competition high in a low revenue environment.
Meanwhile, days after the FBI warned crypto investors about a rise in crypto-related attacks, an Indonesian exchange has reportedly been hacked. 10-year-old crypto exchange IndoDAX, headquartered in Bali, was breached by hackers on Wednesday.
That's right. So, blockchain security firm Slump estimates that around $22 million, roughly rupees 184 crore, has been stolen by hackers in the form of digital assets such as Bitcoin, Tron, Ether, Polygon, as well as Tether, Shiba Inu, and Uniswap.
The platform is conducting an audit of its internal systems. During this ongoing maintenance, all services on the exchange remain suspended.
Interestingly, Japanese investment firm Metaplanet announced today that it has purchased an additional 38.464 BTC worth approximately 300 million yen or $2 million. So the Tokyo-listed company disclosed that this purchase brings its total Bitcoin reserves to 398.832 Bitcoin, worth around $26 million.
Following the announcement, the company's stock rose almost 6% on Tuesday, trading at 1101 yen after hitting a high of 1185 yen earlier in this session, according to data from Google Finance.
And the investment strategy has been compared to that of US-based software company MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, which is currently the largest corporate Bitcoin holder with over 226,500 Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin Treasury's data.
Moving on, Agile Energy X, a company incorporated in Tokyo, Japan, and a subsidiary of the Tokyo Electric Power Company, is reportedly tapping into Bitcoin mining.
Yes, according to recent coverage, the firm looks to expand its capabilities through Bitcoin mining, banking that it can prevent waste of excess renewable energy. It's important to note that TEPCO is the largest electric utility company in Japan and also the fourth largest in the world.
And lastly, the Donald Trump-themed meme coin MAGA has tanked over 15% following a less than convincing performance in the presidential debate held on September 10th.
So Trump hit an intraday high of $3.42 before his showdown with Democrat rival Kamala Harris. However, it dumped to $2.89 as the debate went on and Trump appeared more agitated. The meme coin hit an all-time high of $17.51 on June 1, but has since slumped around 83%.
Other tokens linked to Trump but not directly affiliated, such as MAGA hat, tanked even harder, dropping more than 18%.
In polls released earlier this week, the race for the Oval Office was as close as it has been, with Harris and Trump both having a 49% share of support among registered voters.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap for today. This is Murchi Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.